Part of question 5. Oh, sorry. Okay. So if I look at this, I still need to finish my depreciation. But now, remember here with the depreciation in my note, this 61 is the sold, the new, and the old. Am I right? But now when I look at the T account, August the 31st, you agree with me that I already got here the sold one? So I only need to put the new and the old one here. Because the sold one I calculated on the day that I sold it. So now if I look at this, can you see there was no new, but there was an old of 61,200, right? So only 61,200 will go in here. And can you see those together gives me the 61,400 that goes to note 3. Are we happy? You got it? Let me repeat. Here in note 3 itself, I want the sold, the new, and the old. Okay. So in other words, here it's the total depreciation on equipment. The sold, the new, and the old. Here it's also the sold, the new, and the old. But if you remember, we sold the asset during the year. So I already showed the sold ones 3 months separate. On the day, can you see 1st December that I sold it? So when I get to the end of the financial year, I only have to add to that the new and the old. Does that make sense? So if I add those two together, can you see it gives me 61,400. In here goes 61,400. Chop. And now let's balance. So I've got August 31st. Balance COBD. Anybody?
145,200.
Okay.
So that 200 is the depreciation in the middle of the financial year. That's when we put it in.
Yeah.
So if it was at the end of the financial year,
It would just be one entry. Remember what you always do is you go look. Can you see what I did here is I wrote the months for myself. So let's say I sold it the last day of the financial year. This would have been a 12th. So everything that's got the same time span, it's in my books the same time zone. I can work out together. I don't have to work it out separate. The only reason I work this out separate is this one is 3 months. This one is 12 months. Okay. So let's quickly see if we get the same amount here. If I say 310 minus 38 minus 61.4, it's going to give me, anybody? It was homework. Okay, 2,4. Anybody? Don't be a leech. 2,4. I've got an 8 and I've got a 9. Which one?
8.
How many hundred? 248? 1,000. Okay. It's not right. This isn't right.
Yeah, it's 2,450.
So it's 244,000. It cannot be 1,000 because my answer is 200.
No, this is 2448.
Thank you. And then when you say 2448 less 390, you will get 145,200. And the only one, you can see there it's the same, eh? And the only one that you still need to complete is this one here, where I say August the 31st. I've got accumulated depreciation on equipment, but that was December the 1st, ne, for 200. And then August the 31st, I had accumulated of 61,200. And all of them together adds up my profit and loss, which would be what? Say again?
103,300.